Malawi Brief.
Good afternoon. Deliberately, I have to make a voice clip at this point in time of the day. And ndinali chete sinipanga ya Itali, ndinali chete chifukwa ndimachita observe banking wanthu ajabisa ndrama kutumiza twasikana, kutumiza nyamata, kutumiza mavenda, kutumiza anthu antchito kuti azikabankira ndrama in different accounts. They've opened up accounts several in Salima, several in Doha, mabanks kumponera kuja, several in Kasungu, several in Kotakota, several in Mtakataka, several, not Mtakataka, in Mangochi, several Mbalaka omwe segwama kauta mbinda nyamata amapita ngati mabanki ngati pa Shoprite kuno Blantyre, mabanki wose pajama zazana banki ndo ama 2000 osati masewera andi Blantyre mosemu azazana ndipo akutumiza ndi amwenye omweso alembedwa maganyo ota banki ndrama zimene mabisa manyumbamo. They we are monitoring it. Ndinkanena za mafuta kutakhala ng'ambwi anthu ambiri amaisa kuti ine ndikamanena zinthu ndekuti I know what I'm talking about. China, the murder that has happened to Kulimbi, we are investigating it. We are deep, we are in the ground, and we know we will tell or working hand in hand with the police to say this is what is happening. So mukationa chete ndekuti tili underground, we are doing something else. Also investigating more ESCOM, parastatos, water board and the like, and very shortly we'll share with the public Maraimuno, what is happening. I cannot comment about what my vice president for Central Region said. I can't comment. I cannot even put my personal comments on it because that is beyond me. But anyway, we'll protect the president, we'll protect freedoms and democracy, we'll protect, we'll fight against corruption, we'll actually ensure that there's a rule of law, transparency, accountability, integrity, and ethics. Finally, I would say, tayamba bwino ntchito ikwambiri. More information is coming, more arrests will take place. There will be so many arrests coming in the coming days, coming weeks, coming months. In December, ndarama zimene zikupereka majaji, we know how much they are given about this. So we are also investigating. We're on the ground. Don't worry. We will very shortly come up with something meaningful, tangible, and for the good of the country. Thank you. Good afternoon.